Exactly, I like it like that. Oh, dude. I didn't even see it.
Oh shit!
I'm sitting there just saying a rap.
Did you look up or did you?
No, I didn't even look up. I didn't see it, period.
I thought you
I
looked.
just noticed wham. I didn't see it
You
coming.
didn't know what it was?
Oh, I knew what it was. I knew, what else would you throw at me? And I saw it fall. It hit me and it went like this. Like, oh, I didn't see that coming.
I'm sorry, you need glasses.
I almost had a heart attack real quick there when you said I'm sorry. But then the glasses came back to everything.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Make you buy me a Coke for that. Drink with my rum to take away the pain.
It's a plastic bottle.
I know, I'm just fucking with you. Do you need to get up and go in the bathroom before you piss your pants?
Oh, that's just so hilarious. Oh, I get deadly with those fuckers. I got good aim, man.
You do, don't do that.
I don't even know what hand I threw it with, because if I threw it with this hand, it was more like sideways. Or if I threw it with my left and it still hit you dead on. I don't know, but it was funny. Whew. That was funny shit. Oh, that was good intermission.
Okay, wait, tomorrow night, you guys, I'm going to be on Larry King Live giving Candy Spelling's mansion a tour with Candy Spelling, and she's my new mommy. Take that. It's not a joke, I swear I'm doing it. They called me and I was like, this is too stupid to not do. Okay. So, we have a polar bear store.
Hold on, I got an update. Jeffrey lost his virginity.